Jordan, Middle East blanketed in rare heavy snowfall. Sign up to receive our rundown of the days direct to your inbox. Subscribe. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or services. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any. Freezing Arctic conditions have sparked chaos in the Middle East as freak weather wreaks havoc across the Lebanon, Israel, Turkey and Syria are among those that have been submerged in snowfall as temperatures continue. The rare Middle Eastern snowstorm has led to mass roads closures, with many areas experiencing the first snow. Jordan was even forced to suspend its coronavirus vaccination rollout due to the severe weather. The country's Prime Minister Bishr al-Qassani announced that Thursday would be an official holiday for the public and private sector due to the snow. Osama al-Karafi, director of the operating room of the Arabia site, said at least 20 centimeters of snow has hit Jordan. In Syria, at least 15 centimeters, 6 inches, of snow submerged parts of the country, according to the official state news agency SANA. Syria's University of Damascus was forced to call off its midterm exams scheduled for Wednesday and Thursday across the country because of the extreme weather. In Israel, snowfall swept across Jerusalem, including the Dome of the Rock, for the first time in several. The Israeli Meteorological Service forecast heavy thunderstorms and cold temperatures across much of the country. Heavy snowfall also covered the Golan Heights near the border with Syria. UK snow forecast. Long-range chart shows snow to hit UK. Lebanon was among the hardest hit areas, with the country in the path of Storm Joyce, which unleashed gale force winds of up to 62 miles. Storm surges submerged coastal areas, and widespread snowfall led to a rare blizzard. And meteorologists blame the freak Arctic weather conditions on the weakening polar vortex that allows Arctic air to come trending. Similarly, unprecedented freezing weather conditions have also hit Texas. The state suffered a mass power out after its energy grid was overwhelmed by a surge in demand for heat. Temperatures plummeted to 30-year lows, hitting 18°C earlier this week. Around 13 million people, around half of the state's population, have faced some disruption of water services as hundreds of water systems have been damaged by the freeze.